Hi guys, my name is Montana. I'm a student here at JTech, and today I'm going to show you how to use an AC recovery machine. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you turn the machine on. So you come over here and you turn the machine on. It's going to load up, and then all we're going to do is now we're going to hook up the leads to the AC lines. So we're going to take the low and the high lead, put them on the high side and low side. So the smaller one, the smaller hose line is the high pressure line. So we'll go ahead and hook that one up. There we go. We're gonna close it so it starts reading how much Freon is on in the system. We're gonna put the low side on the bigger line, and same thing for this. There we go. Now we're gonna come over to the machine. And we're gonna look. As you can see, the low side really doesn't have that much Freon in it, and the high side really has none in it. So guys, now what you're gonna do is you're going to come over here to recover the system. You're gonna open up the valves, open them up, and then you'd press recover, and it would start pumping the Freon oil out of the system into the catch can and into the machine. And when you're done, all you do is you close the valves, and that's the process for recovering the Freon.